Let me start with the solved questions here. That first one is example 1. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 9 cm, 12 cm and 15 cm. Also find the length of the altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle here. Here's the triangle. I have mentioned the sides of the triangle here, and sides of the triangle has been given. Okay, I have written here. By using this, we need to find the area of the triangle, and the length of the altitude. Okay, length of the altitude, which I need to draw. Okay, still I didn't draw. And this is a formula, Heron's formula here, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle here, and for the S, first we need to calculate the value here. That is nothing but sum of the sides and divided by 2 here. Okay, and A, which is 9, plus B, which is 12, plus C is 15 divided by 2 here. 9 plus 12 plus 15, I'll get that is 36 by 2. 2 ones are 2 here, and here 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 left with 1. Here I'm having 16. 2 8s are 16. 18 is what? The area of, the S value we found, that is 18 centimeter here. Now we will substitute 18 here in this formula. Okay. Now square root of S is, we found, that is 18 in the bracket. 18 minus A, that is 9 here. Okay, 9 bracket complete. Again 18 minus B is 12 here, bracket complete. In the bracket 18 minus 15 here. Okay, now we'll start simplifying this one. 18 here, 18 minus 9, I'll get that is 9. Okay, 18 minus 12, I'll get that is 6 here. 18 minus 15, I'll get 3 here. Okay, now we need to multiply all these numbers here. When I'll multiply, I'll get this is 2916. Okay, now 2916 square root we need to find. Okay, let me do here 2916 here. The number is even number. Let me start with the 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 here, 2 fours are 8, 9 minus 8 left with the 1. Here I'm having 11, 2 fives are 10, 11 minus 10 left with the 1. Here I'm having 16, and 2 8s are 16. Okay, next 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 9s are 18. Let me start with the 3's table now. Okay, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. Yeah, it divides by 3's table. 3 2s are 6, 1 left, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, it means it divides by 3's table. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 2 left, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and here 3 1s are 3. Now let me make a pair here. From each pair, let me take one number. See here, 2 3s are 6 here, 3 3s are 9, and here 9 6 I'll get, that is 54. Okay, so hence we found square root of 2916, that is 54, and the formula for this is centimeter square here. Okay, now let me draw the altitude corresponding to the largest side here. So here we are having the largest side. Okay, so this is the altitude, and this length we need to find here. Okay, let me give a name here, P. AP length we need to find, that is nothing but altitude here. And to calculate the altitude, we don't have a direct formula, but we are having the formula, that is area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 into base into altitude here. Okay, now to calculate the altitude, what I will do, I will shift 2 to the left side and even the base to the left side. So when I'll shift, I'll be having, that is area of triangle into 2 goes to the numerator and base comes to the denominator here. Base equals to formula we found, that is for the altitude here. Okay, now simply we will substitute the values and we can find out the altitude value here. Okay, now area of the triangle we have found here, that is 54 centimeter square into 2, and the base is how much, which is there at the 15 centimeter here. Okay, let me write here 15 centimeter. Okay, now see here, this square from the numerator 1 and the centimeter from the denominator, it will get cancelled. So we left with 54 centimeter into 2 divided by 15 here. 54 into 2, I'll get, that is 108 by 15 and the centimeter here. Okay, now let me divide 108 divided by 15 here. Okay, now you see here 15 sevens are, that is 105 here. Okay, 8 minus 5 left with a 3, 0 0. After subtraction here, take a point, place a 0 here. 15 2s are 30. Okay, the remainder we got 0 0. Okay, so after division we found the answer, that is 7.2 centimeter. This is what, this is the altitude. Okay, so for this answer we found, that is 7.2 centimeter, and the area of this triangle we found, that is 54 centimeter square here. Okay.